Good morning, you guys. It was a long time ago. I feel like I've been kind of low. If you follow me on Instagram, I talked about it a little bit. It's just like probably because everything that's going on in the world, everything is not like before, and it just feels a little bit sad, and therefore I'm a little bit low. So I haven't really posted any regular videos, but I know that many of you guys have requested these kinds of videos and I've never done it, so I thought why not do it today. So today is a what I eat in a day vegan edition, I guess, obviously because I eat vegan and I'm vegan. Yeah, so it is super warm, so I have all of my windows up, so excuse all the sounds. But yes, okay, here is my fridge, and actually because it is so warm now, I have been starting the days with some eye patches. I have these ones and these ones. Love these ones from Milk because they just sit right. And I usually have them in my fridge just because it feels so good to put them on. Okay, wait. No, I usually do that, right? Yeah. Most of you guys say that I do this wrong way, but I wanted a more focus right here. So, and also it feels so good to have something cold on the sides of your nose as well. So I usually put them like that. That's Thibaut drinking water. Now let's eat some breakfast. This is obviously not going to be something that I eat every single day, but today, as it has just been midsummer, and yes, we celebrate midsummer pretty much like the movie. A lot of you guys have been like, is it like the movie? And I'm like, well, no, obviously not, but like kind of is. One of my favorite scenes from it, I've actually only seen the trailer, I'm gonna be honest, but in the trailer a scene is that they are so scared about the sun has not set.
What time is it?
9 p.m.
That can't be right, the sky is blue.
This is what 9 p.m. is like here.
Yeah, that's like the best part about midsummer, because the sun never goes down. Is that scary? I don't know. Oh well. I am therefore going to eat some skagen, because we did a lot of it for midsummer, and some butter. I feel like this breakfast is not going to be that fun, but it's going to be yummy at least. That will do. Okay, first of all, some bread that we are gonna put in the toaster, like that. And then, as it is so warm right now, a big glass of cold water. I am a water drinker for sure. I always have like one of these laying around, and I just drink water all the time, and that I feel like is such a, it feels like I'm making that up, but honestly I drink water. I don't really drink coffee anymore, so I drink water or I drink tea, but right now it's not tea time. It's so warm. There we have 2 breads. I'm gonna put some of the vegan butter on top. I actually usually let my bread cool down completely, because I love to have like a big chunk of butter, but now for skagen I don't really mind. I don't know if you guys know what skagen is. I think you do. This is how our skagen looks like. It is Rome? No, it is, fuck, what is that word? Like fish babies, like small fish babies, but it's vegan. Creme fraiche, mayo, it's red onion, it's dill, it's chives, and that's pretty much it. It is so good. It's like my favorite thing in the world. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, it's also tofu in it. I forgot. Yum, yum, yum. A little bit like that, and a little bit like, well, a lot of it. Some pepper. And just a little bit more salt because I'm a salt addict. And there we go. So here we have the Skagen toast, our water, and then I take some minerals and some vitamins. I have this one. All of my vitamins are from Helhetshälsa, which is 100% vegan. At least I think. Now when I say it, I'm like, I don't know. But I usually take this one. It is a new one called Vego Optimal. I don't know, Swedish. And then I also usually take this Mineral Optimal. So it's minerals and vitamins. And if I'm lazy, I just take this B12 vitamin spray. Because I have a hard time swallowing pills. I'm a child. But now let's be a grown up and try and take these. Oh my god, I hate it. Ugh. It's like my life is flashing before my eyes. When I swallow, I'm like, oh my god, this is the day I'm dying. I don't know. Alright, vitamins. And now let's eat and watch some YouTube. It has been so long, but I finally filmed another makeup look. This no powder, no foundation summer makeup look that I've been wearing a lot lately. It has SPF and nothing heavy on the skin. You should check it out if it's up already. If it's not, it will be soon. But now I'm gonna eat some lunch. For a lunch, I am gonna do some leftovers that we did yesterday for dinner. This is a recipe that we have done before, and it's great. I actually saw this first on Jenna and Julian's channel, or Julian's channel maybe only. They did these like buffalo wings with cauliflower. It is from the blog Hot for Food. It's so good, although we kind of fucked it up because tablespoon and teaspoon looks like the same in English. In Swedish it is tesked and matsked, so not at all similar. But yeah, I think I used tablespoons instead of teaspoon on some of the ingredients, but it tasted good, so everything's fine. So we have a bunch of leftovers with the ranch sauce. Yep. I want this to be crispy, therefore I don't want to use it in the microwave, so I'm just gonna put them on a pan and then in the oven. Just like that. Okay, it's like nothing left. Maybe we should do something more because Jonas is going to eat this as well. Oh well, in the oven it goes. I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of a salad. This is good. Some salad. Yes. Ooh. And I'm gonna try these. I got these yesterday. It is tofu in some sort of, I don't know. It looks like feta cheese, but it's not feta cheese. Alright, first of all, some corn. Tomatoes. Actually, I just remembered that I think that I've done what I eat in a day videos on my second channel. I have the worst memory, so maybe it was this channel. I don't know. But if you want to see more food, then check out my second channel, I think. And then some of these, this is how they look. I've never tried them, but they look really nice. Hello. Oh my god. Oh my god, I cannot get this open. No, I need help. Alrighty, so lunch. Some buffalo wings with ranch. There's some hot sauce that Jonas wants. We're gonna eat this, both of us. I have a large glass of water again, and then I did this little salad. Cutie. These ones were so good, by the way. They are like super hard.
Vem hade trott att jag efter alla dessa år skulle återvända till platsen för mitt största nederlag?
Jag är med.
Har redan sagt det. Inga grönsaker på färjan. En konstighet kan förstöra hela bassängsätet.
Ut i färjan till bassängsätet.
Alltså,
Det var ingen som sa att vi behövde papp.
Jonas is really sad because he hasn't gotten his Last of Us 2 game. I'm gonna eat this and work some more here on the couch again. Hey people. Gonna give Tibo some. Hugo loves melon and apple. Varsågod. Var det gott? Var det gott? Ja. If you guys are interested in this makeup look that I've been wearing now so much, it's my go-to, and I have a video on it. I think I said right. Yeah, it's just so glowy and so nice. No foundation or anything, it just feels so good on the skin. And as I said in that video, this, I was gonna say ages well, but it looks beautiful the entire day. And I have very oily skin, but like I feel like oily skin and powder doesn't really go together. As soon as I have powder on my face, if I want to be glowy, it just looks gross after a while. But now when I don't have any powder at all, it just looks so beautiful. Oh well, it is like 7 I think in the evening, right? And we are gonna eat some dinner. We are gonna do falafel. Jonas is doing a hummus right now. We're gonna get some Liba bread, I think it's called, and we're gonna do a really nice falafel wrap for dinner. Yum 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 yum. All right, first of all, the falafel. This is actually one that I haven't tried before, but we'll hope it is good. We have some bread there. Jonas is making the hummus. Then we're gonna have cucumber, some tomatoes. So we have a bunch of tomatoes because we love tomatoes. Salad. Let's see, some red onion. Ooh, why does that look so gross? Oh, just saw, it's just the onion thingy. And then we're gonna make a garlic sauce. Some oil in the pan. Put it on high. And here we have the falafel. Let's hope that they are good. I'm just gonna put them in straight away. And now I'm gonna mix all of the, I'm gonna cut all of the vegetables. Thank you.
Majonnäs, men det är skit. Duktig kille.
Some bread. Let's do some hummus. By the way, if you guys like these sorts of videos, I've done, as I said, some similar ones on my second channel, but if you guys like it, I would love to do more. And also I was thinking that maybe it would be fun to like answer some questions. I know that a lot of you guys are already vegan, but some of you guys aren't, and maybe you're, excuse me, maybe you're thinking of becoming vegan or starting to eat at least more vegan. So maybe you have like some questions or anything that I could answer in the next video. I thought that that would be a fun idea, at least if I think of something special to get all of the nutritions and stuff like that. I don't know. The answer to that is no. Just eat a lot of different stuff. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. Let's do 3. There we go. A falafel wrap is ready. And now we're gonna eat. We're gonna watch Avatar: The Last Airbender. That is one of my favorites, and I've gotten Jonas to like it as well, which I'm really happy about. And we're gonna eat a dinner. So yummy.
Inom en månad. Om vi ska vara här en månad bör vi spendera tid med att leta efter Appa.
Bok 2 Jord, kapitel 15, Basing ses sagor.
Ser du? Här kan jag höra.
Alright, I just took off my makeup. It is way later, and me and Jonas are probably just going to watch something or play something. I'm probably going to play Animal Crossing, and he's playing Last of Us. We might eat some snacks though, so I might include that in this video as well. But that is pretty much it. An example of what I eat in a day. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like and please subscribe to my channel. So see you guys in the next one, I guess, and I hope. Okay, bye guys.